Hey, it's George Riley, and it's my nephew. Do you want the thing or not?
Yeah, I guess.
Just in case there's harmful chemicals or something. All right, we went back to the hospital again. Just to check it out.
This is the cool part.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't even know this part existed.
Here it is. This is the haunted hospital. Come on. Jason.
Hey, look.
What?
This is stay out.
Huh.
This is our.
Here's the thing. This looks like it used to be a kitchen. Come on, Jason. Stay in one spot.
What?
Let's go. Oh, wow. What's that? Here we are. Jason, come on. Oh yeah, scary music while we're playing. Make it scary. Do, do, do. Ooh, yeah. What the heck happened here? What is that? Alright, let's keep on going. There's a bird. What are you doing, man? Oh. Shh. This way. Jason. All right, we're now roads. That's the. We're really deep in now.
Oh, look at this. It's like a corridor thing.
All right. Yeah, it's kind of cool. This way. Oh, check that out. Death. Jason. All right, let's go. Hey, so we do it? Are you brave enough to go to the bathroom, shower, stalls? You go first.
This is the mortuary, man.
It is?
Yeah, this is not shower stall. This is the fucking cadaver room.
It is?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's go in. This is. Shh. Where are you? That's me, by the way. I said, where are you? All right. What?
Table.
What?
There's a table, man.
Oh, freak. This is where they laid the bodies, man.
Yeah.
Oh, freak. Alright. Wait. You want to check through the door? Jason. Let's go farther. Go ahead. You dare?
Let's go farther. Go ahead, he said.
What was that? Was that me or you? We can do it. That was a knock, I thought. What the freak?
Oh, look, this is the place we were last time.
It was? Okay.
Yeah.
That scared the what out of me, man. Ah, freak. Okay.
I can tell you that tune in Temple Erie.
Alright. Well, that's it for our adventure into the hospital. Alright, let's